so hi, Giselle here, affiliate marketer expert and the video creator. Okay, so hi. So today I will explain to you and share to you before you started or getting started a YouTube channel. So you must know your goal also. Okay, so first thing is you must know what is your goal, and then at least you already can set up yourself. You can set yourself that your goal is this goal, okay, this goal, okay, so you must think properly that, okay. So number two is, sorry, number two is create a channel, okay. So you create the channel, so you can create your channel, so of course you need a Google, okay. So number three is a channel icon, okay. So the channel icon is your profile actually, so I advise to put your profile like yourself, okay. So if cartoons, of course some they put the cartoons or anime or I don't know what is that, so I advise to put your profile, okay, your photo. So it's very good that like look, they will respect you also. Then you put your profile is better, okay. So channel art, okay, so your profile, the channel art on top, so you make that also, and then you put your schedule of when did you want to post, okay. So what is the schedule of your posting, so people might think that, oh, she posting by today, well, I will check, you know, they can remember also, like, so otherwise you tell every day or daily videos, you know, then you no need to tell that Wednesday, Tuesday, like that, okay. So you can put also daily, otherwise you put yourself like MWF Monday, okay, Monday, Wednesday or Friday, like that. So you can do that, no. So it's good that you must know all this what I said, okay. So the channel art, you put your social media link, okay. So in your channel art they can see your Facebook link, your Reddit account, your Pinterest account, Instagram account, you can put in your channel art also. So it's good that you can promote yourself at the top of your channel art, okay. So number four is you create your channel playlist, okay. So you already create the video, so you must put also your playlist. Otherwise, example, you want to download today and then you don't have the playlist, at least you can put in your screen, you know. So the playlist, they will, you know, they can watch from that. Otherwise they don't watch from the previous video. So you make your playlist also, then after they flash in your screen, no, they will pop up in your screen, they will watching that also, okay. So fifth is share the videos. You share your videos to everyone, okay. So like for example, like channel, okay, so the other channel you can post for them, you can comment to them, you put your link, okay. So next is analyze your data. So once you started your videos, then the important is how the people to interact with them, okay. So you must analyze your data, that how you manage to your audience, you know. Like me, before my audience is from Turkey, okay. Before previous one, my audience from Malaysia is a lot. Now today I check my audience is from the Philippines, okay. So thank you so much everyone. So you have to analyze also. Then seven is stay engaged with your audience. Like for example, you post and then you post three, and then after that the other posted is different, like blogging. The other video is like tutorial, the other video is like, you know, like you must see that also. If your audience love that video, the tutorial, like me, oh, so I stick to the tutorial, okay. So that is what I am doing. So you just upload, then you didn't forget about it. About, for example, you think that is worse now, so you must forget it and then you make another one more, okay. So you just check every once that the people engaging with your video, and you know, so you just responding them in the comments, You can pen their comment also, no, just respond, you just respond everything. Then make your videos accessible. Okay, number 8. So by adding subtitle, like me, I never put the subtitle, but I talk the English speaking. Okay, so you can put also, I never put, then actually is very good advice, that advisable that you put the subtitle. Then you just open your content in a larger viewers if you want to put the caption, because like example, every language is different. Okay, they have a international language. I'm using the English is better for me and easy for me also to talk, then some, of course, everyone they study, or if they never study also, so they will, they will find a way how they manage to, like example, the same language that they want to understand. So you must know where is your audience is and what is your audience, who they are, from we are, from where they from, sorry. So decide who should have access to your channel. Okay, so you have to decide. For example, if you are going to be only one person, so you're contributing your YouTube channel, you can go ahead to skip this part like that. Okay, so you are managing the small marketing actually. If you want to, you have a YouTube channel, so actually you're handling the small marketing. And then next is like, for example, you should always like the primary owner of the account. This way, if the, like for example, your YouTube channel get someone also connected, so they can help each other. Okay, so you must find someone that you can trust also about that. You have to handle your channel or decide who can access your channel. Okay, so then after that, 10 is consider going to live, like for example, streaming. Okay, so live video is more popular than ever. Okay, so going live is a great way. So you can go to the live and then everyone will comment. I did try once, but nobody will comment to my live, so I just doing the video and posting and posting. I'm going to fail already that time, because I'm thinking, how come nobody comments, like 1 or 2 or 3. Of course, I'm not really popular yet, so I consider myself like that. So I just keep on going, that I keep on posted, so I'm going to be, feel that, I don't want to continue, I stop. So never mind, I continue. So don't give up, just do it and do it. Okay, so next is like next is you have to looking for the online marketing advice. Okay, so you can ask them also how you market your videos, how you promote, how you do, how they make, how they do. Okay, so you can ask everyone advice, that how they manage the videos or YouTube channel, how they make everything, because you can download actually anytime without editing. So if you want to be like editing all, you must ask someone to advise you, because it's quite difficult if, example, you keep on uploading and then you never put the hashtag everything, then you don't know. You must ask someone to advise you that how to do the YouTube channel or YouTube videos. Okay, so of course your friend, because if you go to the expert one, so of course you need to pay the money. So don't do that first. Okay, so I advise don't do that first. So you must, this is the 10 ideas that you must know how you, before you getting started your YouTube channel. Okay, so you must think properly, what is your goal, your audience, you make the channel, you make your YouTube channel, and then you must know how, you must ask someone how you make your YouTube channel. Okay, so this, hope that you can get my advice, guys, that this is really important for you before you are getting started your YouTube channel. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching my videos. Please subscribe my channel. If you are new, please welcome to my channel. Okay, thank you so much. Good night.